My personal approach is reconsidering and re-evaluating traditional lining methodology with water-based adhesives called the so-called glue-paste linings, but something that I instead like to explain as water-based adhesives. For this specific purpose of for the structural repair of canvas paintings. It's a long process in revisiting this methodology that are coming from centuries ago. They are actually considered too traditional and too old, and for this reason I'm changing, and I changed many things, and I reanalyzed all the singular aspect of the materials and at the same time of the methodology. At the same time, I do work with other methodologies, and here we will have the opportunity to prepare specific supports for some paintings, even for the museum, where we use synthetic materials, and specifically one that was invented 50 years ago in the United States called the Beva 371. That is a material extremely useful for our purposes. And here in this courtyard we will spray this material. That is one of the best application that we like very much for this type of application.
I'm very happy to share with what we have learned in the last 3 years with this group of people, because we think that it's going to be very helpful in the decisions they make about how they treat canvases and works on, and how we treat canvases on painting. So it's going to help make them better informed decisions as to what type of materials and procedures might be safest for the painting while it's being treated.
So the Conserving Canvas one, which are very important meeting points for senior conservators who have a lot of experience to pass on our knowledge to the new group of young conservators, so that they can to some extent learn from our mistakes and from the experience we have, which I think helps inform them and advance them. So the Getty have been very good about this.
I was very excited to learn traditional Italian glue paste lining. It was my dream to know how to do it, because it's methods that proven through centuries that it's very efficient, and we never studied it in Ukraine or even in England. The experience and knowledge gained in this masterclass by the best specialists in the industry like Matteo, Simon, Chris. For me, it's something special. I think it's priceless, really.